Hello everyone, I'm Betty. I'm from these two websites. These two websites are my website. Don't suspect my website. Okay? This time I will give you a new video. It is about the new version of the Yeezy 350 Boost. Okay? Okay? Look at the total top of the Yeezy 350 Boost. Okay, you can see that. It is so nicer than the last time. Can you see that? Okay. And see the size first. Okay. Size, it is Yeezy Boost 350. It is size 7. Okay. Size 7 is the most popular size because many men and women have suitable this size. Okay, can you see that? Okay, this tags are EAN. If you need UPC tag, you can tell me and I will change it for you. Okay? Look around the shoes slowly. It is so, the partner, it is so nice. Okay, it is so regular. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. Many customers will ask me what the color with this part is. I will ask you. It is like the black color, but it is not. It is the green color. Okay. Look at this pattern. Okay. Many people will ask me to make videos to show them the new version. I am satisfied with the customers. Okay. Now the version is this back side. Back side, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doors in the square. Okay. Okay. Pay attention to the back side. Okay. Can you see that the partner is so regular? Okay. And let me think. Other questions? Okay. Let me think. Okay. Here. Okay. The first. Okay. It is a new version of Yeezy 350 Boost. Okay. Can take out the insole. It is the new version. It is so nice. Is it? Can you see that? Okay. So many customers buy the shoes in my shop every day. I'm happy to serve the new video to you. Okay. If you have any questions, you can tell me and go to my website. Oh, my website. Where's my paper? Okay, here it is. My website. there are two my websites. You can remember that, okay? I'm willing to offer the service for you. Okay, thank you, bye. See you next video.